What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It is Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start affiliate marketing for absolutely free. So make sure you grab a pen, make sure you grab a paper. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So grab a drink, get a cup of coffee, get something. Get pen, get paper, because I'm going to drop a lot of information in this video. It's going to be jam-packed with a lot of value. I'm also going to be sharing my screen. I'm going to show you guys where to go, what to find stuff, because I've been doing affiliate marketing now for 2 years full time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because you do not, I repeat, you do not want to miss out on this great information. All right, so I'm in my computer and we're ready to get started. So once again, how to start affiliate marketing for absolutely free. Now, you should know by now, if you've been searching how to start affiliate marketing, where to start, what do I do, what kind of product do I need to sell, do I need to try to sign up for this network, that network. There's so many different products out there that you can sell, all right? So I'm also gonna share with you some places that you can go that I highly recommend. You can find different products and services that you can promote, and you can start to get money inside of your bank account in no time. All right, so whether it's going to be your bank, PayPal account, or whatever it is that you want to use to accept the money. So dive into things right away, not going to waste too much of your time. So the very first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you decide exactly, and I'm sure you've heard this multiple times, exactly what you are passionate about. Now, some of you probably don't know, okay, what niche do I go in? I don't know what niche should I pick? Should I go with weight loss? Should I go with make money online? Should I go with, what type of niche, gaming niche, all that type of stuff? Pick something that you love, something that you're going to be passionate about. And that's the very first thing you have to do is pick a niche, right? So once you pick a niche, it's going to be more easier for you, right? So if you want to start with make money online, so I'm going to write MMO, make money online, right? You want to do weight loss, health and wellness, oh boy, Intel, there we go. Well, yeah, you guys saw that. That was an I right here. It's an I, right? So you want to do weight loss, or you want to do dating and relationship. Now, the reason why I picked these three niche is because these are what's hot. And I can tell you right now that these things are not going to go anywhere for a very long time. There's multiple different websites that you can go in where you can find these type of products. Some examples will be like ClickBank. You have JVZoo. You have Max Bounty. You have Cash Network. So many different PeerFly. So many different places that you can go where you can find these other things. Remember, Amazon has a great affiliate marketing program, but the thing is with Amazon, here's the reason with Amazon and other affiliate networks. With Amazon, you get a minimal percentage when you do affiliate marketing. So for example, if you sell this phone for $100, you're gonna make $5, anywhere between $3 and $5. $3 or $5, that's like 3 or 5%. Yeah, so 3 or 5%, which is like $3 or $5. And it all depends on what you're trying to sell. And here's the reason why I like to go with, better make money online niche, weight loss, all that type of stuff. And I like to go to different affiliate networks. And I'm going to show you the reason why I prefer doing commissions or anything affiliate related where you can earn anywhere between 40% to 75 or 90%. And here's why, okay? So once you have or you found a product that you can get, a much higher commission. Because if you're going to spend money, or if you don't have any money, let's say you don't have any money, but you're going to use your time. Regardless, you're going to have to decide, all right, I am worth $10 an hour or $50. Most of you don't realize that this is a business. And when you run an affiliate marketing business, you got to take it seriously. Yes, you don't have the money to start, but you're still using your time. So how much do you want to pay yourself? So if you could spend, let's say, let me just do this. All right, so if you can spend, let's say you're going to spend $1 to get back $2, would you do it? Absolutely. Nothing is wrong with that. Now remember, you're going to be using your time. This is your time right here. So how much are you worth your time? Are you going to spend 8, 9, 10 hours on your computer just to, make a $20 sale for an entire day? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Now, in the beginning, yes, you got to put some work in, you got to put some time in. But I'm going to share with you guys some ways how you can not go into any of that stuff where you don't have to be burnt out, and you can use your time efficient instead of spending hours and hours on your computer. So I'm just going to save that to the end. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, once you pick your niche, the next thing you want to do, you want to create a platform that you want to advertise that specific product that you're selling. Now, there's lots of different areas that you can go. Now, you have what people will say traffic. You're going to need traffic. And everybody's saying, well, you need traffic this, you need traffic that, and you need to send all your traffic to a specific website and collect information, and then you go. Sure, you could do that. So you have YouTube, you have Instagram. So you got, I'm going to put you have IG, right? You have FB, which is Facebook. You have Twitter. You have LinkedIn. You have Quora. You have Reddit. So you have so many different locations and places that you can go and get traffic. Now, yes, you're going to go there. You're so excited. You're pumped. You're like, all right, I found an offer. Now I have traffic. Now, what do I do? Do I need to send traffic to the company's landing page, or do I customize something for my page? Now, if you don't have any money, that's absolutely okay. That's totally fine if you have no money. Just starting off, yes, use the company's website. So if you're going to use the company's website, drive traffic to it. But just don't drive traffic just blatantly. Just, okay, here's the product. I'm going to send people here. So this is what most people are doing. This is them. And this is the offer. Now, this is what you do not want to do. And here's why. If you just consistently just send people directly to the offer without, one, warming them up, two, let them get to know you a little bit, you will not make the income potential that you're supposed to make. So a lot of people, what they do, you want to do what we call a little bridge. So here's a bridge, right? Here's a bridge. Now what you want to do, you want to add some value. So these are value right here. All right. So you want to add value. This is you, and you want to add value to get to the initial offer where you can make a sale. Now, where and how do you provide value? Let's say you go onto a webinar, you watch some video and you learn something cool. That is a piece of valuable content that you can use and you can share it with your audience. So for example, if you're building an audience on Facebook or on Instagram or YouTube, you want to make sure what you learn, you provide. You want to share it with them. So the more you give, the better chance they will be like, all right, now Andre's been given a lot of value. I would love to see exactly what he has to offer. That's how it works. So think of this like dating. If you walk into a room with a bunch of guys or a bunch of ladies, I don't care who you're dating, right? And you go inside there and you said, wow, I would love to go walk over to that person. And you walk over to them and you said, hey, can I have your number? Do you think that person is going to give you your number? Absolutely not. They're not going to give you a number because they don't know you. You don't know them. You just saw them and you decided to take a shot. Now, some people will say, yeah, here's my number. Because if they like you, yes, you will get the number. But there's a slim chance, my friend, that you will get a number. It's the same thing with an email or someone is going to buy from you. So create a lot of value and you have to put out content. So as you can see, just like my YouTube my YouTube channel, I have a lot of videos on here that provide value. I'm always teaching, I'm always sharing. So whether it's you writing a blog as well, you want to put out content consistently over and over and over again. Always over deliver. Most people are stingy and they're like, well, this is my one thing and I don't want to give it away. No, you can't be all for yourself because you will have information overload. Whatever you learn, share it with the world. Share it with the world. Give it to people. Give, just like what Gary Vee says. Jab, 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 right hook. That's how it works. So now you find your niche, you're giving value, you're dropping content, and you have traffic. Now here comes the traffic. The traffic is very important. And as I said earlier, you want to make sure that you have traffic. And how are you going to get traffic? I'm going to share with you a way how you can get traffic through Facebook. Now, there's a tool that's called Simple Social Tools. Now, this right here is awesome. What you do is you hook it up on your Facebook account. And if you want to find people, let's say you're promoting, weight loss, or you're promoting, makeup or CBD oil or whatever it is. You want to come to, you want to type in, let's say I want to go for beauty product, beauty fashion. Let me just go with beauty fashion. And you click on where it says pages. Now, these are some big pages. So try to find the big pages. And then once you find the big pages, I would then go and find like their recent post. So I try to find their recent post. Hang on one second. All right. So here's some recent posts right here. And what I would do, I would go and click on here using that same tool because they have a video that tells you about it. And I would go through here and I would try to follow as many people as possible. So I will send them friend requests because you want to find active people that are, active on this page, because if they're active, more than likely, they will buy anything that you're selling. So you want to give content, you want to post on your Facebook or your Instagram or your Twitter, all that type of stuff. It's the same thing, just so you know, you find the content and what you learn, you want to put it out there. So once you put it out there, people are going to gravitate to it. So now, once you got that going on, and then you realize that, okay, there's a little bit of money coming in, now I want to step up my game. The next thing you want to do, you want to create your own capture page. So now you have a little bit of money, you want to create your own capture page with the email, and then from the capture page, you want to send them to like a thank you page. So this is, one second, this is a thank you page with another button, and it goes directly to the offer, the VSL. And then once it comes here, right? The next thing they're going to do is if they like it, they buy. So now you already build that fan base, you already build that courage, you already build that confidence, people know you. Now you could say, hey, by the way, I have something great that I want to share with you guys. And then you'd send them your affiliate link to your own page. Once they check it out, because they're more than likely to see what you have to offer. So you give, and then they're going to put their email in, they're going to see you, and they're going to be like, okay, cool. Now they're going to check this out and be like, all right, if Andre's doing this, I want to see what it is too. So then they will check it out and then they will pay. That's how you make money. And then you want to make sure you have a email sequence. And this is when you start to get really, really, really professional. This is like pro level stuff where you want to set up your own autoresponder. And this can be done. So you could do this through Aweber. You can do this through SendLane. You could do this through GetResponse. So all these different places. And then once you collect the email, again, value, sell. Right? You can be like value, sell, value, sell, or you could do sell, sell, sell. Value, value, sell, sell, sell. Value, sell, sell. Value, sell. So you set up your autoresponder whichever way you like. There's no special way. You just got to test. You just got to try and see what works. I've tried so many of them, and then now I just find something that works for me and with my audience, so I just stick with it. That's all you have to do. Set it up. And once you set it up, it's ready to go, and you're like in. Like you are like so pumped, you're fired up, and you're going to be getting ready to rock and roll. Now, once you set this up, the next thing you could do is, I'm going to show you the different networks. So here's one, which is JVZoo. You can come on JVZoo and you could find different products. Again, you want to make sure that you find something that is on fire, something that you personally would buy. That's how I look at it. If you buy it, you'll promote it. If you ain't going to buy it, don't promote it. That's how I look at it. And then all you got to do is just click on it, get your affiliate link, sign up for this, and then you can start to promote. Some of them you got to approve to get to promote their products, and that's how it is. And for the simple tools, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. So if you guys want to get that tool, feel free to check it out. I'm just going to leave the link down below, all right? And you definitely want to find something that you want to sell. And if you want to get high commissions overall, like you want to take your business up to the next level, there's a great website. It's called Legendary Marketer. A link down in the description if you guys want to know. You could sign up for free, 15-day challenge. Go through the 15 days, see what it is. And if you want to be a part of it, check out the link down below. It's 15 days. You could sign up. Doesn't cost you a dime. And you can learn marketing. You can learn everything about marketing. So I hope this video helps. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, check out the link in the description. I'm here to help you guys as much as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, and I'm going to be coming out with more amazing content. My name is Andre. See you on the next one. Peace.